Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can enter the secret service menu of a BMW F series, any model. I'm going to show you how you can enter that for yourself. When we look into the settings area, the last menu is the software update. There is no other menu. And I'm going to show you how you can enter a service menu that comes under this menu on the service software update. To do that, first of all, go back to menu, press this button once, menu button, go back to this main menu, have it scroll down all the way to settings area. Your ignition must be on. Then what you have to do is press the iDrive button forward for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second step is 3 notches to the right. 1, 2, 3. 3 notches to the left. 1, 2, 3. 1 notch to the right again. 1. 1 to the left again. 1. 1 to the right again. 1. And then press this button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Once you have done that, release the button, go to settings, and now you'll see that there is a service menu. This menu wasn't there before, and this is how you enter that. Let's look what's under the service menu. Navigation, phone and BMW services, TV, Grace Note, and have a look at them for yourself. And let me know in the comment area what you like or what you don't like about this video, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.